There's a quick video of the 12-inch Xprite, Xprite 36 LED mini light bar. And here's the quick information on it. So 17 strobe patterns. I will make a video later showing them all to you guys exactly, but I just wanted to make a quick video showing this light on a truck in the field. So I could not find one on YouTube. I only could find them on a table or on some bricks. But here's a quick video of it, quick walk around. This is on a 2017 Ram Bighorn. So I'll also include some distance videos. And here's the view from the front. Here's a side view from as far back as I can get in the yard. And here's the view from the back, from as far back as I can get in the yard. And just so you guys can see how bright it is from a distance, I mean, it's only a $50 light bar, so you can't expect too much. But I tell you one thing, right now, this thing is definitely a lot brighter than I was thinking.